All right, so what we're gonna do today is remove these active shutters. Spoiler, I already did it. And we are going to put on some of these bumper crossbar beauty covers. I've went ahead and already kind of done the entire thing more or less, but I kind of want to show you some quick tips and tricks. There's also a bunch of other folks that have done this and done tutorials from start to finish. Full Bolt-On Garage has done a really good tutorial on how to do this. There's some extra stuff that I ran into that I couldn't figure out, so I'll walk you through those in case you run into the same issues as I did. And if you guys didn't already know how to remove the grills, it's this tab, and this tab. You just push down on that, pull out these tabs, and then you pull straight out from here because they have tabs underneath as well that want you to pull straight out this way. By default, these are closed, especially when the car is off. Closed is this way, open is this way. And some of the folks have said to put the car in diagnostic mode, you know, the triple hit on the start button, and these will open in diagnostic mode. Mine did not, and I tried it a few times, not exactly sure why, or if I was doing something incorrectly, or if there was an extra setting, or if these were just broken. However, when they're closed, I figured out a pretty simple way of getting rid of these anyway. Now, the recommended way is when they are open like this, you have a real easy way of getting right up to this and snipping these right off. When they are closed, however, they sit pretty flush to this piece down here, right? Because they sit in here. So what I ended up doing was using one of these guys here. Just a little, like a little blade that has a thin piece here, and just go underneath, just where you go underneath there and just slice through, and they'll be right here. Slice through every single one of them, and it leaves a nice clean cut. And when you get to these arms that hold on to the motor, just use the same little saw tool, and you saw right through it, and this whole thing kind of just pops right off. Now, once these are off, you're left with some little nubs here that people can say you could just take them out, you twist them and pull them up, but now that they're flush like this, they really will not stand out in any way, shape, or form. It's really just probably easier to leave them in here than to try and pull them out. So I left them in, and I bet when you put the grills back on, it's going to cover this area up anyway, so you won't be able to see it. All right, and now for the beauty covers. This is dead simple. You just get you buy these little beauty covers from eBay or AliExpress or whatever, in whatever color you want. I do conservative black because my car doesn't have a color theme, and I like it that way anyway. And you can see this side does not have one on, this side does. And so they are open on one end, and really all you do is you take them and you want to get them lined up a little bit, and just, there you go, and it's on. And you just push, close all the way to the top. That's it. Now you have nice colored or shiny black, and make sure, because you can kind of see up here, you can move it up a little bit to make sure it's covered, because it's not important to have this bottom area because you can't see, but maybe this top area, especially if you're driving with the active grills open or deleted, it'd probably be better to have these pushed all the way up there. And now, considering how easy this is to put back on, I will still show you that these tabs go under in there first, and then make sure these top tabs stay up under these points, and you should just be able to make sure these are pushed in. That's it. And this is what it looks like with the active shutter delete. The grill's put back on and the beauty cover's on.